The Hotshots have tied the series 1-1. We are joined by player of the game Calvin Abueva and winning coach Chito Victolero. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Thank you.
The 32-5 second quarter was the story of the game. From there, coach, you just outplayed Rain or Shine, giving them their worst loss in franchise history. This is also the 6th most lopsided game in PBA history and the 2nd worst in the playoffs. Thank you, Sir Fidel. How would you evaluate the value of new reinforcement Jabari Bird and his positive effect on how the rest of the Hotshots played tonight?
Yeah, first of all, thank you to the Lord Jesus Christ for this W. Big factor. I mean, it's not the numbers, but as told you kanina, Bel, it's all about the aura, the positive aura and the positive vibes of JV. I mean, I told him na he just ang kailangan lang naman namin talaga is yung contribution on the little things. Defense, rebounding, and the positive energy, which is, I think, nabigay sa amin ni JB on this game. And very na-appreciate ko lahat yung, lalo na yung local namin. I'm very proud and thankful sa local players namin because hindi sila nag-give up eh. Although we have some problems with the import because we feel that Shabazz is our main guy. He will finish the season for us or the conference for us. But suddenly, yun nga, nagkaroon ng problema na injured. So, we need to rush na magpadating ng import. And it's thankful to Boss Al, to Boss RSA, to the management because they keep on supporting us. Walang kasiguraduhan kung aabot to ng ilang games, but Boss RSA and Boss Al just keep on sending imports to us and give us the hope and the chance, the opportunity to compete ng higher level to Rain or Shine.
Thank you, Coach. Calvin, now on to you. Mula sa 6 points sa unang laro ng serye, double-double ka tonight. Ano ba yung mga naging conscious adjustments mo na ginawa mo, especially in slowing Rain or Shine down?
Actually, din yung first game, siyempre, papasalamat muna ako kay Lord dahil binigyan itong game na to at hindi pa tapos to at susunod at susunod, marami pang games na kailangan namin i-adjust. And this yung momentum nila at saka sa amin, kumbaga galing kami sa unang talo bago pumunta doon sa quarters. And then one time preparation and then nagpalit kami import, then sa amin local parang di namin alam kung anong decision ni coach at sa amin si Kuya Rapi nagsabi sa amin na kung anong ibibigay sa atin tanggapin natin. And then hindi naman all about the import local rin kailangan natin mag-contribute kasi kung iaasa natin sa import parang gusto natin ibigay natin lahat ng bola sa kanya And then this time na parang yung kulang namin nung last game, eto nakuha namin as na-double pa namin yung rebound and Jabari sa a big help to us na dun sa rebounds. And yun nga, yung quickness niya and yung focus niya, kahit na kagabi lang siya naging sayo, and yung rhythm niya nandoon. Kaya siguro, ang ganda rin ng aura niya sa amin, kaya yung positive vibes namin, nadala namin ngayon.